Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make red pepper hummus. And first of all, I have a red bell pepper and I lined a small pan with foil so it's easy to clean up. So I put it under the broiler for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what you have to do is you have to turn it every few minutes so that it blackens and it chars. And then after that, I take the foil and I wrap it up and leave it for about half hour. Then the skin shrinks. Now I'm going to peel it and take out the seeds. So very easy now, just pull out the skin. And the inside is a little black, but it's okay. It's not burnt. Okay, the skin is peeled off. I can take off the stem and I'm gonna scrape out all the seeds. I've kind of rough chopped the bell peppers. Now I'm gonna pour in a can of drained garbanzo beans into a processor. I'm just gonna grind it a little bit. Now pour in 1/4 cup of tahini, which is sesame paste. You can make your own or you can buy it. But I bought this from Chinatown and it's really good. Has a good smell. I think some of the tahinis that you buy doesn't really have that sesame flavor. Then 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I always use extra virgin. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, fresh. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of garlic, fresh garlic, chopped up. Now I'm going to grind this up. Now put in the bell peppers. Gonna add in some ice cubes and a little water. Now I think that because I have so much stuff in here and everything is so thick, it's not having an easy time to grind. So I'm gonna take out my big processor. Now let's grind it up. This is much better. It's smooth. I'm going to put a few more ice cubes to make it more fluffy. Just a little bit. And it's done. Here you are. It's finished. And I just garnished it with different vegetables and some pita bread. So I'm going to try a little bit with pita bread. You can use any kind of vegetables or any kind of artisan bread. It would be very good. So I just drizzled some olive oil and sprinkled some parsley on it. And let's try it. It's lemony, it's smooth, and you can taste the spices in it. So this would make a very good appetizer for your party. So please try it. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.